Hi friends, today we are going to see how to make a paper plane. For this you will just need a paper. You have to fold. You can use an A4 sheet and fold it into half, vertically, not horizontally, and make sure you crease the fold properly on both the sides, and it should be equal on all the sides, and the paper should not overlap on any of the sides. Make sure you crease it really well for a very sharp paper plane. After you have done that, open up the paper and fold as shown in the video. Fold it like a triangle from the top to the middle crease and crease it up on both the sides. Make sure that you are creasing very well because you want the paper plane to be really strong and fly really fast. So for that you need to crease really well. Since this paper plane is made for kids, we are bending the sharp end of the paper because it might result in any injury like eye injury or some problems. So to prevent that, we are bending the end of the paper plane, and after that you should again fold the paper plane by the middle crease, and then you should open it up and take the side and put it to the middle crease. Make it touch the middle crease on both the sides. So now you will get something like this as shown in the video. On both the sides you have to do this. If you are making this paper plane for kids, make sure that you soften the edges, soften the tip of the plane because it might result in any injury. As shown in the video, you should soften the edge. Again fold it in the middle crease as shown in the video. After that you should fold the paper plane as shown in the video like this in the middle. From the top you should take both the sides of the plane and fold it on both the sides like this, and both the sides should be equal so the plane flies really high and nicely. After you have done that, make sure that both the sides wings are equal, and when you are leaving it to fly, you should make sure that both of the wings angles are equal and they are nice and they are proper. Here is the finished plane which we had made now. Now let me show you how the plane flies. Thanks for watching.